Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are absolutely fantastic. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the Nextbase 222 Dashcam. This will be a short one. Nevertheless, you know what to do. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, let's keep this video short. I'm going to show you some footage. I'm going to show you the unboxing on top of the video so you guys will see me driving. This is the new 2 series from Nextbase, a dashcam very popular, especially in the UK. So this is the box of the camera 222 on the side. This version, being the 222, means it's not the entry level, it's the second one with 1080p. And one of the main features of this camera is the quick release mount. They call the Pro mount. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's move on. So you are presented with some paperwork in different languages, a warning sticker so you can stick it on your car, a quick starting guide. Please note that the memory card is not included. You need to buy it separately. So you have the camera here, let's put it to the side for now, and we have this box with some goodies. Inside the box you have a car charger with a mini USB on an angle so you can run it through your headliner. This is the mount. This is a permanent adhesive mount with a 3M sticker. Nextbase logo there. You plug it there, stuck that to your windscreen, and it works like that. And you have the suction mount as well. If you don't want to use the permanent, you can use that one. This is just a USB lead and another sticker in case you screwed up the first one. And last but not least, let's have a look at the camera. Pretty tiny one, I must say. Let's remove the sticker here with a massive lens. Let's remove this one. And in this particular case you have physical buttons on the back of the camera. So you have the power button, menu, mode, up and down, and record. Over here is the emergency button. If you click it, it will save your video. On the top there's a USB port if you want to connect it. There's a reset hole, and on this side it's where you put your SD card. On the front of the camera, this is what you remove in order to put the mount. It's magnetic and it's quite strong, like so. So you put that on your windscreen, cable there, and to remove the camera you do it like this. And it's quite strong, trust me guys. I've been using the suction cup version, and when I try to remove the camera, the suction cup mount comes with the camera, so I need to put everything back again on the windscreen. I do have an SD card here as well. I'll leave a link down below so guys can check it out. It's a Nextbase SD card, a branded SD card, and should be perfect for the camera. Sometimes you buy those dodgy SD cards, and which is not good, and then you lose your footage. So if you want to use it, link down below. Okay guys, now let's have a look at the camera menu. So the first time you turn on the camera will ask for your language, set a time and date, and that's it. You're good to go. Let's now have a look at the menus. At the bottom of the camera there's this button here, and if you click it the camera will lock that specific file and the button will light up red. And like all dash cams, it will start recording automatically when you turn on the car, when the camera receives power, and vice versa. When you turn off your car, the camera will stop recording. Guys, in terms of features, this Dashcam, it's quite of a basic model, so no Wi-Fi, no GPS. If you look at the other models, the Nexbase 322 for example, you'll get the Wi-Fi, you'll get the GPS and the SOS mode as well. And if you go above that one, for the 422, you get Alexa, for example, and you have the 522 with a better resolution, more features, etc, etc. I'll leave a link down below to all the cameras so you guys can have a look. This particular one, the Nextbase 222, it's a 1080p camera. The quality of the image, it's alright, it's good. The build quality, I must say, it's pretty good. And let's have a look at some more footage. I'll let the tape rolling for you guys to judge, and let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this camera. Alright, so next let's test the direct sunlight on the camera lens to see how the camera copes with it. And it's a good opportunity to see if there's any gap between two clips. So the next clip will join now. As you could see, no footage was lost, no gaps, nothing. It's also a good thing. And for those who are a bit confused, remember the Dashcam records in clips of 1, 2 or 3 minutes as you defined, and sometimes some Dashcams between clips you will lose a bit of footage, which an accident could happen on that split of a second and you won't have the recording of that. Okay guys, so what you're listening now is the sound pickup from the camera's microphone. I believe this is a regular tone of a standard conversation, so I don't know what you guys can hear at this moment. Hope it's alright. I'm going to indicate here. Hopefully you guys can hear that. So yeah, this is the night tests of the camera. Hope the image quality is good. And that's that, guys. Now guys, I'll leave the specs of the file on screen now so you guys can have a look at, and let me know down in the comments box what do you think about this Dashcam and what you think about this particular video. And saying that guys, I think it's time to wrap this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click that red button please, and the notification bell. I really appreciate that. And guys, like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.